A landslide scare has gripped Dhepaguda village under Raikia block along the Ganjam Kandhamal border in Odisha. As per reports, the incident occurred on August 6th when some children were playing near the road. All of a sudden, a portion of the road caved in and two children narrowly escaped a major mishap. Following incessant rainfall in the area, the concrete road gave way, creating a huge crater measuring around 20 feet in diameter and nearly 5 feet deep. The sudden collapse has sparked panic among villagers. Residents are now worried about the safety of their homes and surroundings amid the continuing threat of landslides. With rainfall continuing in the area, villagers remain on alert and fear that further ground collapse could pose a serious threat to the village.
2016 ରେ ସେ ତିନିଟା ଗାତ ହେଇଥିଲା ଆଉ ଆମର ମୋହନ ସରକାର ଆଙ୍କେ ତ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ ଗରିବର ସରକାର ବୋଲି ଆମ ମୋହନ ବାବୁ ଦୟା ବହି ଆମକୁ ଯଦି ରକ୍ଷା କରନ୍ତେ ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ଉପକୃତ ହଉ ଆମେ ଚାହୁଁଛୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇଟା ରହି ପାରିବୁନି କେମିତି ରହିବୁ ରାତିରେ ଜଣେ ପିଲା ଛୁଆକୁ ଧରିକି ଶୋଇଲେ ବା ମା ଶୋଇଲେ ବାପା ନାଇଟ୍ ନଗେଇ ରହୁଛୁ ବାପା ଟିକେ ଶୋଇଲେ ମା ଅନେଇକି ରହୁଛି ଏଇଟା ସଦାବେଳେ ବଡ଼ ଭୟ ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ଜୀବନ ବଞ୍ଚିବାର ସମ୍ଭାବନା ନାହିଁ।